Good morning, student. I hope all of you are healthy and safe at your homes. In previous lecture, I explained about the sources of the rights, and now we will do more topics related with the rights in today's lecture. Legal rights and the state. Criticism and defects of theory of natural rights gave rise to the theory of legal rights. This theory was put forward by Hobbes and developed later by Bentham and Austin. Bentham said he was a renowned philosopher in the field of political science. He said, rights are the fruits of law and of the law alone. There are no rights without law. According to this theory, the state is the sole creator of rights. There can be no right unless there is an effective legal remedy or a machinery to enforce the rights. Means without the protection of government, rights are meaningless. The rights which are given by the governments and also protected by the government for the citizens. The legal rights of the citizens can be classified under the following three heads. Generally, social rights, political rights, fundamental rights. Now, Bill of Rights. Our Bill of Rights is enshrined in the constitution of many countries. In a simple word, I can say Bill of Rights is a collection of rights and mentioned in the constitution. That is Bill of Rights. Constitutions represents the highest law of the land, and so constitutional recognition of certain rights gives them a primary importance. In our country, we call them fundamental rights. Other laws and policies are supposed to respect the rights granted in the constitution. So, Bill of Rights means where rights are mentioned in the Constitution. That is Bill of Rights. Now, how a right different from a claim? Sometimes we confuse with this point. If we are claiming something, if we are demanding something to someone or government, that is right. No, but in a minute way, claims are different from rights. We will study this topic. Let us start the topic. Right is a claim. Every person has got many desires which he seeks to satisfy. He therefore claims many things. Every right arises from claim to something of value, such as land, jobs, facilities, services, etc. A person will like to have the right to work and also the freedom to choose an employment. He will like to join trade unions for the protection of his interests. He will also like to have the freedom of thoughts and expressions. Second, it is a claim that is just and reasonable. But the claims should be reasonable and morally justifiable. There may be many such claims as are opposed to one's true welfare or to the interests of society. We find, for example, individuals claiming to TV blaring out loud music all evening and in the night also. Some people uh, don't like this and they can't bear this situation, so the claim is always not reasonable for all the people. Thirdly, claim cannot become a right unless recognized by the society. Every right requires social recognition. This is for two reasons. In the first place, the idea of rights arise only in a society. In the second place, rights can only be sustained and supported by society. So, rights after recognition of socially, they be the rights in a real manner. I hope all the points are clear to you regarding claims and rights. If you face any problem, you can ask. Thank you and have a nice day.